Welcome to my channel. I'm HaKDMoDz.
In this quick tutorial you will learn how to add more than one form to your C# Windows form application along with how to choose which form loads first. For instance, if you were creating a splash screen for your application, you might want to change the loading sequence. Let's start by creating a new project. I prefer using the new Metro framework forms instead of the plain old generic type, so I will be changing my form to Metro and adding the imports. You can learn how to install Metro framework with tools to your Visual Studio environment by checking out my other video. The link is on the screen now. Now that we have created our first form and added a button, we will be soon about to create the second form. On the first form I have added a button which will once clicked display the second form which we are about to create. On the left side select Solution Explorer and then right click and scroll down to add new Windows form. Then we need to name the form, so for this purpose I will be naming it second form. Now that we have created a second Metro form, we will be adding a button on this form to display the first form when clicked. This is only a very basic tutorial and no graphical content will be added to either of the forms, only demonstrating how to switch between forms will be the purpose of the video. Then in last few minutes we will be changing the order in which form is executed first at runtime. Okay, now that we have created 2 Metro forms and add a button on each, we now need to add some code to each button click event that will create a new instance of the object form and call it to action. To access the code, we can either double click on the button that we want to code or by pressing F7. This line of code will create a new instance of the second form, and it has been given the variable of F2. Now we need to add another line that will call the F2 instance of form 2, which we know as second form. Now we need to do the same for the second form to show form 1 on click, just like we did the first time, but we need to change the variable in the object instance. So after this we can test form 1 button displays form 2 and then back again to form 1 from form 2. Do you know why the button on the first form didn't show the second form when it was clicked? Because you must make sure you are trying to call the right form. As you see, it's easy to make a simple mistake and nothing works as planned, but this is easily fixed with a switch of the variable being called. So now that you have that under control, Form 1 is showing Form 2 when clicked and Form 2 is showing Form 1 when clicked. Now we'll quickly do basic styling to make it easier to depict which form is which. Then we will make Form 2 the form that is first executed at runtime. Now to change the loading sequence of the first form to be shown, we need to open in Solution Explorer on the right program. CS and just change which loads first. It's that simple. So hopefully now you know how to create two forms and display each of them from the other, as well as change the runtime sequence. I hope this quick tutorial helped someone. Leave a comment if you feel like it, but please make sure to subscribe and hit the like and share buttons to support my channel and promote this video for others to hopefully learn from.
Hit the subscribe button now to follow my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm HaKDMoDz.